Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today as we start a brand new weekly vlog. So today is Monday. It is the 30th of September. So we are literally saying goodbye to September and hello to October. So I am having leftovers from what my husband made yesterday, which was a veggie stir fry, which is so good, so good. I actually went to the store today before we came home and picked up 2 more bags. So it was really good. So I have that with some pan-seared chicken that he made. And then also when I was at the store, I saw that they had a whole little section for like Asian dishes. They also had orange chicken as well. And so it's basically like little chicken tendos or, like basically like little boneless chicken, bites. And you just pop them in the oven and then you just have like, it comes with like a little sauce packet. You can just sauce them yourself. And came with 2 packets, but I literally only needed 1. You kind of just wanted to have a little bit of the flavor, but literally the little sautés, the little veggie packets for the sautéing was enough. It was really delicious. Lots of ginger, lots of those really good spices. So that's basically what my plate looks like. I just have some white rice, some regular sautéed chicken. There's like one little cube right there, and then a couple, little bites of these orange chicken, things as well. So for appetizers, yes, I cut up some veggies. I did not want my veggies to go bad. I had one little bag of salad in there that was gone. So I wanted to make sure that I cut up these veggies so that we're eating, some veggies, and I have some little dip here. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this one, Bodacious Onion by Hell of a Good Dip. Oh my goodness, it is so good. So good. I really do like that one. So Bodacious Onion, as long as you're not going anywhere for the rest of the evening because your breath will stink after you finish eating this dip, you're good. It's so delicious. So if you guys ever get a chance to try it out. Bodacious Onion by Hell of a Good. It's really yummy. So we've had that. We were kind of snacking on that while I was waiting for this chicken to finish. But on the side here, I have a Sunkist Zero Sugar Orange. I stopped by the my favorite place, you guys already know, the Starbucks. Between this and Dunkin', those are my favorites. I got a dark roast, and then when I came home, I just added in my scoop of collagen peptides, and then also some of my sugar-free French vanilla creamer to this. So that's perfect. I love a good dark roast. And then my cup this week is my chartreuse. Yes. Hello, gorgeous. I absolutely love this cup. So this is what I am using for the week. Yum. Absolutely love that color. It's bringing a little bit of brightness to an otherwise dreary week. So last week was super duper rainy. This week has been super duper rainy. I have not been able to get out and actually go on a walk at lunch. Every single time it is raining. So every single day, that's what we've been dealing with. So it's not that, I'm not very happy about that, but it is what it is. All right, right now it is 4:58 in the afternoon or in the evening. I am so hungry and ready to chow down, even though I did have a couple little, pieces of veggies and dip. But yeah, hubby is chomping away, so I'm ready to chow down myself. But I will see you all here tomorrow, right back here on the channel, same time, same place. You guys already know. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. All right, so today is Wednesday, is the 2nd of October. So officially we are here in the month of October. I am clearly not at work today. Right now it is 2:47. I just kind of been around the house, changing sheets, just doing stuff along those lines. We didn't have any surgery cases as of today. So of course, if we don't have any cases, we don't have to go in, which is nice, because it just kind of allows us a little bit of a break, which I love an absolute break in the middle of the week too. Like that's one of my favorite things. Work 2 days, off a day, work another 2 days, I'm great. And then be off for the weekend. So yes, that is what I did. I changed sheets and I juiced a little bit and, went outside and I'm gonna try to plant some ginger. So I went outside and, kind of, got that together. So yeah, Anyway, I'm about to go ahead and create my meal because now I am, after me moving around all day, I am kind of hungry. So I'm gonna go ahead and have leftovers. So I did not have my veggies and dip yesterday, but I'm definitely gonna have them today. And then we still have leftover, that sesame seed just fell right on me. Leftover stir fry. So I'm gonna go ahead and have some of this. We don't have any rice. My husband finished up the rice yesterday. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just make a little pack of noodles here. So just a little pack of noodles to have with my veggies. Oh, and the chicken's down there at the bottom too. I'm sorry. I'm like, where's the chicken to go with the veg? It's the chicken at the bottom and then the veggie stir fry on the top. I just combined the two. I forgot all about that yesterday. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make a pack of noodles. So I have my water on the stove now heating up. I'm gonna heat up this chicken and this veggie stir fry. And I'm gonna have these delicious veggies with this really, really yummy dip to go with it. And yeah, that's what we're gonna have. So that is it for my, I don't wanna say leftovers, but yeah, it really is leftovers. So today is the last day I'm gonna have this. So that means I had this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So 4 days. I'm very proud of myself because usually after 2 days, 3 is usually my max, but 2 days, I want something different. I don't want the same thing. So tomorrow we'll have to figure out something else, what we're gonna have for dinner. So we may have to pick something up, but as of right now, I'm gonna go ahead and have some of this, half of that remaining amount. And yeah, and then have these veggies and dips. It's gonna be delicious. So I will see you guys when I'm ready to break my fast. Alrighty guys, and here's my meal. So I have my little fake kombucha, a little bit of sparkling water with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I have my coffee that I made with my collagen peptides along with my sugar-free French vanilla creamer. Water cup are refilled. This is my bowl here. So it has the noodles and a little bit of that chicken along with those veggies as well. And then, well, the stir fry veggies. And then of course I have the veggies I cut up and the dip from the Hell of a Good brand. So yes, that's what I'm gonna be having for today. I'm so excited, ready to chow down. But I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on my channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, it is Friday, the day we've been praying for. Finally, it's over. Right now it is the 4th of October. It is 2:48 in the afternoon. We got home a little early. We got coffee. Oh my goodness. And thankfully we have leftovers. So coffee, you guys already know, if it's not Starbucks, then we definitely like Dunkin' as well. And Dunkin', we usually get the midnight roast or the midnight, you know, coffee, whatever the case is. I absolutely love that, which is their dark roast, and it is so delicious. So if you like dark roast, you'll absolutely love this one. I did go ahead and doctor this up. I put in my creamer along with a scoop of collagen peptides. So this is good to go, and I'm so excited. And then today was buy a drink and you get a free treat. So hubby came home with a couple of donuts there. Our favorite is chocolate. My favorite is just the plain chocolate. His is the chocolate with the frosted. But yeah, so we got a couple treats here to have after our meal, which is nice. Every once in a while, I don't mind treating myself. But we have leftover food, which makes today super easy. We didn't have to stop and get anything. So I have Peruvian chicken, yuca. I have fried, what are these things called? These little cabbages. What are they called again? Brussels sprouts, thank you. Fried Brussels sprouts and carrots, and then a couple plantains here. So yeah, sorry, brain fog, that's just what happens. I cannot remember names sometimes, but yes, so I have my plate there, and then we still have a little bit of veggies. We've been doing really good on the veggies, but I definitely want to finish these out today, and then we're gonna have that with our Hell of a Good dip, which is in the flavor Bodacious Onion, super duper yummy too. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to finish out this little veggie platter that I made earlier this week. And then we have, like I mentioned, we just have some leftovers that we're gonna heat up. So this weekend, I'm trying to think of what I have to do. So this weekend is not too crazy, which is great. We were invited over to a backyard barbecue on Saturday, which is great because it's finally slowing down on the rain. And so we're getting a little bit more of those sunnier days, which just makes me feel so much better. I'm ready to get out here and start walking again and, really, giving it my all. Because like, as I mentioned, I really want to drop these remaining 26 pounds before the end of the new year. So that is my goal. That's what I'm trying to stick to. 1 meal a day. I was starving today. I was like, oh, I'm so hungry. But I had drank I had a black coffee this morning. And then after that, I was like, yeah, I need something else because my stomach was like, yeah, about that. I don't care. I'm hungry. So I actually ended up making my fake kombucha at work, which is great. I absolutely love it. No one knows I'm having it, and I'm just sitting there sipping away, and it's so good. So hopefully my stomach and my gut are primed and ready for this food because I'm so hungry. So I'm about to go ahead and heat that up in the microwave. I have this veggie platter. I have my Dunkin'. I have my little sweet treat. And then for bubbles, I'm gonna do the remaining, because I never drink a whole soda. So I'm gonna do my remaining Sunkissed Orange Zero Sugar as well. So that's what I'll be having. But yeah, I think that's about it. So that's what I have to do on Saturday. But Sunday, nothing, which is great. So we get to relax, kind of, get everything ready. So I'm gonna start going through the freezer to see what we have meal-wise and what we need to prep for. So I think that is it for today. I hope you guys are having a perfect ending to a really good week. That's all I can say. A good ending to a really good week. Well, we won't say perfect just yet, but we'll say a good ending to a really good week. Hopefully you guys had a good week. So hopefully I should be out and walking tomorrow, but if I am, I will see you out there at the lake. If I'm not, I will see you when it's time to break my fast. You guys take care and have a good evening. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so today is Sunday. Thank goodness, I'm so out of it. It is the 6th of October, and right now it's about 3:56 in the evening. I'm just getting back in. I had to run some errands. I actually got my nails soaked off. They were starting to look really, really raggedy and yucky, so I was like, let me just go ahead and take them off, and then I'll start fresh, later in the week with a nice new set. Today is absolutely gorgeous, just like it was yesterday. I went for a walk at the lake. It was so nice. Absolutely loved it. Like, the weather was perfect. Oh, everything was great. And then we went to a backyard barbecue, cookout, whatever the case is, yesterday evening. And that was really, really nice. We were there with our friends and family, and it was really, really sweet. So we enjoyed it. But let me go ahead and show you guys what hubby has whipped up for today, or whipped up for this week, so that we can start tomorrow off with a brand new weekly vlog. So as always, we start off with chicken. So I seasoned the chicken breast. So thankfully I actually got a good start on everything this week. But yeah, I went ahead and seasoned this chicken breast. He just went ahead and did a pan fry, or, pan saute, however you guys want to call it. Basically just pan seared the chicken. So he has some chicken breast, which we can actually use into wraps, before it gets too cold. And, we can actually use wraps. We can do a salad, whatever the case may be. And that's I absolutely love using the chicken breast for that. And it's nice. It smells so good too. I did so good. I also seasoned up the chicken wings, but he went ahead and baked those and actually finished them off with a little bit of barbecue sauce, it looks like. So they look delicious as well. I cannot wait to chow down. Oh my goodness. I am so hungry. Alrighty, as usual, a big old pot of rice, because that is what he does. He usually has his rice with that chicken for lunch. So yeah, he has a nice pot of rice he already made. I just picked up this macaroni and cheese from one of the little, I can't say, I almost said stores, restaurants that's right across from our home. So I got a thing of mac and cheese to kind of go along with our meal and stuff like that, because usually he takes over the rice for the week. It looks like he made a little bit of steamed broccoli, which is perfect. We can definitely use that. And then also looks like he did a pan of bacon as well. So we can always do a breakfast upside down day, or whatever the case is, where we can have breakfast for dinner. And I absolutely love a good breakfast meal as my one meal a day. So that's perfect. But yep, so that's what we have for the week. I already have my coffee. I made it yesterday for yesterday's soiree in advance, but then I never ever actually drank it. I was too busy drinking, ginger ale and bottled water. So I still have my coffee for today. Just went ahead and took it out of the fridge so it wouldn't have too much of a chill. But yeah, so I still have my coffee the same way I always make it, a scoop of collagen peptides along with my sugar-free French vanilla creamer. So that's what I'll be having. It's still cold, to go along with my meal. But yep. Alrighty, guys. I think that is pretty much about it. I will be seeing you all tomorrow, the Monday, which is the start of a brand new weekly vlog, right back here on my channel. Same time, same place. You guys take care, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.